Okay, let's lash it to us. Okay. Oh, four big boxes there. Okay. Okay, Super Saiyan. Darth Maul.
Star Wars.
Gar Saxon. Whoever that is. Mac.
Yeah, I'll get those. I like the shows anyway. The pops.
Yes, yeah.
Optimus Prime.
Optimus Prime. Jazz. And doubles. Soundwave. Okay. Okay, looks good. Okay. Ooh, Joker, Christmas. Yeah, Bond. James Bond. Yeah.
Soundwave.
Soundwave again, okay. Gar Saxon. Wrecker.
It's kind of cool.
Wrecker. Okay. Soundwave.
This one's heavy. This is sell pretty quick. I'm sure.
Woohoo, my pet monster. Yeah, jeez. It does weigh a ton, doesn't it? Okay, next box. We're zipping through them here.
This one's gonna be popular too.
Woohoo, Ashoka, okay. Awesome. Awesome. Oh, yeah. Awesome. Oh, I love that one. Awesome. Oh. Trey Young. Trey Chic. Oh, Dancing Richard Simmons.
Classic Mickey.
Ooh, classic Mickey. He is classic. Huh. Mrs. Potato Head, okay.
More Optimus.
Another Optimus.
Sorcerer Mickey.
Oh, Sorcerer Mickey. Sweet. Goes along with the other Mickey. From Moonraker, is it? Yeah.
Richard Simmons.
Another Richard Simmons, okay. Richard Simmons and Dancing Richard Simmons. Okay. That one is heavy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Jeez. Okay.
There's a little bag.
Oh yeah, got the
Little Optimus Prime.
Witcher keychain. Okay. Pin. Oh, that's a cool looking pin, actually. Okay. Okay. Let's throw. Okay. On we go here.
This one's pretty light.
Okay. Oh, hang on a second.
There's the invoice.
I'll just throw it out. That way it doesn't count, right? I don't think you have to pay. Jeez. You want me to hold it there? Okay.
Cut the bottom.
God, yeah, what do they got?
It's 2 boxes in the box.
Okay. Oh, something jammed in between there.
Okay.
What the heck is that?
Dragon Ball Z.
Oh, okay, Dragon Ball Z. Those funny balls, yeah? Okay.
Yeah, okay. These are pops.
Okay.
Professor Hulk.
Oh, okay. Is this like a huge one or? Oh, yeah. Wow, okay.
There you go.
Professor Hulk, and I assume the other one's the same one, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, Professor Hulk. He's profiting it out there.
Right.
Okay, well that was quick. That box was quick. And what could be in this one here? Oh, those little Jaws things again. Okay, yeah. Sweet, sweet. Okay. Well, Nightmare Before Christmas figures. Okay, these are new. Okay. Okay. Haunted Mansion. Okay. And Nightmare Before Christmas. Yeah. They're sweet. Sweet looking ones. Yeah.
Halloween.
Haunted Mansion, Halloween.
Sort of paint all.
Yeah. It's like, come on, folks.
Sally.
Sally. Get Sally there.
Jack.
Jack. Of course.
Gotta have Jack.
Gots to have Jack. Okay.
A lot of these.
Ooh, what's this one?
That's neat.
Yeah, that is kind of neat, actually.
We got a few of those.
Okay. Whoever that is.
Chucky.
Chucky, okay.
Chucky. Michael Myers. Mary.
Okay. Okay. So these.
Board game. Shiny.
Okay.
Oh wow. That is cool.
Oh, Sports Almanac.
Biff.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Biff.
Poor old Biff.
Hey.
What a loser, hey?
He was alright though. And from the Avengers, you got Iron Man.
Oh, sweet. That's a nice looking one.
The other Chucky.
Huh.
Okay. Good guys, Chucky.
Okay, good guys, Chucky.
Joker.
Joker, oh, Joker plush. Okay. That's pretty cool.
This
Holy God.
pretty much gonna be gone.
Whoa, that was. Wow.
And last but not least, Dragon Ball Z pins.
Okay. Let's see what. Oh, let me get this up here. Okay.
Grade 8.
Oh, yeah.
Same. Chase.
Okay. Those pins are pretty cool. Oh, go through there.
Cool.
Okay.
Alright.
Excellent.
Neat.
Well, thanks for having us over.
Alright, see you big week.
Okay, thanks. Bye.